Hello and welcome to Advent Day 5. And today I've got Santa's little helper here to help me, thank you. And as you can tell, he's modelling very ably our sheepskin waistcoat, gilet, vest,
Gilet.
body warmer, what do you call it?
Gilet.
A gilet.
I call it a gilet.
You call it a gilet. Well, if you're very posh, you call it a gilet. Other people sometimes call them waistcoats. Don't matter what you call it. It's wonderful.
It's a jacket without sleeves. It's very comfortable.
There you go. That's what it is. And it is reduced for Advent. Normally $3.99. We are doing a limited availability on this colourway at half price. £199. It's marvellous, as you'd expect. Beautiful, beautiful quality. Got the Napalan finish on it, so that's got a leather finish, a leather resistant finish, which is good for water not resistance, water repellent. Water repellency.
Yeah.
So zipper closed, nice deep pockets. Have we seen the back?
I think so.
Yeah, nice.
I think
Excuse
Ken's
me.
angling for a job on QVC.
Yeah, very nice.
Very witty.
Okay, turn around the front again. Yeah, so that's it. What else can we say? I can't just whistle through it like that. I usually give it all kinds of billy about how wonderful it is. Nice inside. Actually, come up here and let's show them how wonderful the nice plush ironed merino sheepskin.
It is very soft.
Yeah, brown with a kind of nut brown interior.
And
nice.
it does zip right up to your.
Yeah, it
right
does.
up to your chin.
It goes right up to you. You haven't gone out of shot, have you?
No, he's still in those.
We're professional here.
He's in the centre now, he's in the frame.
Even
Yeah.
a double chin like mine, it
It
covers
covers,
quite
I
nicely.
tell you what. Yeah. So there you go. Half price, folks. Look as sexy as Ken.
I just doubled my fee after that.
Yeah. Look as sexy as Ken. Gilet, have a good day today, and we shall see you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Bye.
Bye.